Well, the big question here is the Super War Tank worth less than $15? I was looking around on Banggood at tanks and just usually keep an eye on it, and found this one. They had it on sale for $14.92 or something like that, 82 if I remember right, and free shipping. And so I took a chance on it and had it shipped in. I believe this is the number 107 or 1017, the T90 Russian tank, 1/32 scale. So called the Super War Tank. Says it's got 360 turret steering, shoots airsoft bullets, and sound too, I believe. But anyways, bought this, and like I said, paid less than 15 bucks for it. So I figured, what the heck. So let's unbox it and see if this thing's worth less than 15 bucks. Alright, well, doing cut. So, lots of styrofoam all over the place. And it looks like we had a machine gun get broke off from somewhere. So we'll have to check that out. Well, this one got shipped in and did alright, but if you can see right here, it got banged pretty good. Put a hole in the pack. At least it seemed to have made it in one piece with no damage. I did order this construction vehicle, forklift bucket or whatever, die cast and all that. And was going to also do something on this. Ended up getting slaughtered on the way when I received it, and it's broke. It's all broken in there. Kind of a shame. I don't know if they're going to pay me back or if I'll get another one. Kind of really wanted it. But anyways, back to the tank. Okay, we're going to pull all this stuff out of here. The controller and the tank. So it's just easily slide out. Got some silver BBs. And the charger. Looks like we got to put some batteries in it. And in this, that should be ready to run. I discovered where the broken off machine gun went. It's broke off the top here, like that. No big deal, we can glue it right back on. Well, it comes with a charger. Does not come with a American blade, but I've got an adapter I can use with this already, so that's not a problem. The battery pack installed. Unplug it and charge it up, and then we'll plug it up and put batteries in this thing. It takes a couple double A's, I would imagine. Put a couple double A's in there. Okay, well, the battery finally charged after a couple hours. Putting it in there. So we'll stick it back together the best way. So a little Alright, well, after putting the battery in this thing and playing around a little while, it seems like it goes forward. In reverse, it's one way and then you can turn it, but there's no way to turn it. There's no way to turn it while it's going forward. So it just goes forward straight. That's the only way you can turn it. So, $15, I guess, or less than 15 bucks. I guess you get what you pay for. Well, it came with these silver BBs, but I don't know if they're metal or just silver plastic. To open them up and try it with a magnet. But I'm going to just use some ones I have here to test it out. Now to load this thing, you flip this little lid up here on it, and you drop the BBs in. It'll take a lot. And close that up. Now we'll see if we can fire it. Okay, reloaded, and I'm going to push up on this knob here, and that should make it fire high. Boom. Whoa, shot 3 of them that time. Okay, I'm going to take it, and this time I'm going to pull it back and see how it shoots. Seems like it doesn't really matter which way you push it or pull it, it seems to work just fine shooting. Well, I'll give it good marks for shooting. I wish it would steer left or right rather than having to back it up to turn it around. For 1488 or whatever, not a bad deal. I'll throw in some outdoor running shots here of the tank running near the train. The tank seems to be able to take the rough terrain and high grasses fairly well. Just set it in the direction you want it to go, and it usually goes pretty straight unless it hits a big boulder or something, but it seemed to run right along the side of the track there, really pretty nice. Tanks loaded up on the train and heading back to the depot for repairs. Not a bad deal for 1488, so I guess I'd give it a positive thumbs up, but don't like the steering. Wish it was more traditional tank steer rather than the way it's set up, but that's the way it goes.